Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about angle and its different types. So first we will learn what is an angle. So an angle is formed when two rays meet at a common initial point or the common end point. So here in this figure, OA and OB are two rays, and these rays are meeting at a common end point O. So this point is known as vertex of the angle. So here the vertex is O and the rays which form an angle are known as arms of the angle. So here the arms are OA. Always put the symbol of ray, and OB. So these two are the arms of angle. So now we will learn how to name an angle. So this is the symbol that we use to denote an angle. Now while naming an angle, always remember that the letter at the vertex will come at the middle. For example, to this angle we can name as angle BOA, or by angle AOB. So here you can see that O is the vertex and it is coming in the middle. Or you can simply name this angle by the name of its vertex. Vertex is O. So by capital O. So this means you can name an angle by these three ways. Okay. So now after this we will learn about different types of angles. The first type of angle that we will discuss today is acute angle. Acute angle means an angle whose measure is between 0 degree and 90 degree. For example, here I have drawn an angle. So it is angle ABC and it is of 60 degree. So degree, it is a unit of measuring angles and we denote it by this small o at the top as a superscript. Okay, so degree is a unit of measuring angle. Now here you can see that is 60 degree. It is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So all the angles that are more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree are known as acute angle. For example, here you can write another examples also. For example, angle of 25 degree. So it will also be acute angle. Any other angle, 75 degree, 81 degree, and even 89 degree. 89 degree is also less than 90 degree. So it will also be considered as acute angle. Okay. Now the second type of angle which we are going to discuss is right angle. So right angle means an angle whose measure is 90 degree. The right angle will always be of 90 degree or it is of L shaped. Okay. So it will always be of like this, and the name of this angle will be angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now the third type of angle is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means all the angles whose measure is between 90 degree and 180 degree are known as obtuse angles. For example, here I have drawn an angle XYZ and it is of 120 degree. And we know that 120 degree is more than 90 degree and it is less than 180 degree. So all the angles which are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree will be considered as obtuse angles. For example, you may write another examples, 110 degree, okay, even 91 degree. 91 degree is just 1 degree more than right angle. It will also be considered as obtuse angle. 175 degree, 160 degree. So all the angles that comes between 90 degree and 180 degree will be known as obtuse angles. So this is the instrument which we use to draw the angles. So it is known as protractor or D. Okay. So by using this we can draw the angles. So the fourth type of angle is straight angle. Straight angle means an angle whose measure is 180 degree is known as straight angle. One straight angle is made up by two right angles. For example, if here we will draw a line here now and I will give it the name D, then angle DOB, it is of 90 degree, and angle DOA is also of 90 degree. So this means straight angle is equal to two right angles. Okay. So this means 2 multiplied by 90 degree. What we will get? We will get 180 degree. So one straight angle is made up by two right angles. Here angle AOB is equal to the sum of angle DOA plus angle DOB. Okay. Now the next type of angle is reflex angle. Reflex angle means an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, less than a complete angle, is known as reflex angle. For example, here I have drawn an angle. So in this, for example, name it D. So this angle POD, it is of 180 degree, and here we are talking about this angle, angle POQ. So angle POQ is equal to 210 degree, which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Okay, so all the angles whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360 are known as reflex angle. Now the next type of angle is complete angle. Complete angle means when a ray takes a complete turn about a point, then an angle of 360 degree is formed. For example, here the rays are OA and OB, and the ray has started taking a turn. First it has taken the half turn till here and then again half turn. So 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. So when a complete turn has been taken, so this means an angle of 360 degree is formed. So here the angle AOB will be equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now the opposite of this is zero angle. Zero angle means when two arms overlap each other and no turn has been taken. So this means no angle will be formed in that case. Or we can say that an angle of 0 degree is formed. So these were the different types of angles that we discussed today. So now we will do a quick exercise based on what we have learnt till now. So the question is, classify the following angles as acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflex and complete angle. Okay, so let's start doing. First is 23 degree. So it is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So it will be our acute angle. It is acute angle. Second is 108 degree. So 108 is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it will be our obtuse angle. An obtuse angle always measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. Now the third one is 75 degree. 75 degree is again more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So it will also be our acute angle. Now the next is 90 degree. And we know that an angle of 90 degree is known as right angle. So it will be right angle. Next is 180 degree. 180 means it is our straight angle. So it will be straight angle. Okay. Next is 135 degree. So 135 degree is more than 90 degree but it is less than 180 degree. So it will be also obtuse angle. Okay. Next is 210 degree. So 210 degree is more than 180 degree but it is less than 360 degree. So it will be our reflex angle. Reflex angle. Next is 360 degree. Means a complete turn, complete angle. So it is a complete angle. Okay. Next is 179. So 179 is less than 180. So it is less than 180 but it is more than 90 degree. And in this category, all the angles which falls in this category are known as obtuse angle. So it will be our obtuse angle. Now the last one is 315 degree. So 315 is again, it will lie between 180 and 360. And all the angles that are more than 180 but less than 360 degree are known as reflex angle. So friends, I hope that now the concept of angle and its various types will be clear to you. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos and also press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my latest videos. In my next video, I will explain these angles with the help of a clock. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.